Yeah, absolutely. For us, we started our training, I guess, on site with Hawker Richardson late last year in preparation for the new equipment to arrive. So the addition of the training portal was instrumental for us to bring it back in-house and then to teach our operators essentially as much as we could before the equipment arrived.
For us, that was very critical to actually get a return on investment as quickly as possible. So having a portal ready to do programming up front, even before the machines arrived, has helped really to expedite, especially in the first 3 months. We had a lot of products coming up much quicker than they normally would if we had to wait and do it. So we strongly recommend using portal.
Absolutely. For me, it's a no-brainer. I think the depth of knowledge in the team, the responsiveness to emails, to phone calls, to troubleshooting has been fantastic.